Today we're going to discuss major structural classes of cells. There are two classes, the prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells are found in the phylogenetic domain Eukarya. It contains an assortment of membrane-enclosed cytoplasmic structures called organelles. Examples of organelles are mitochondria, chloroplast, nucleus, and ribosomes. The DNA is also present in the nucleus as several linear molecules within the membrane-enclosed nucleus, while prokaryotic cells are found in the domains bacteria and archaea. Prokaryotic cells have few internal structures, they lack nucleus, and they typically lack organelles. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you for listening.